Hello. So, what is the Great Triangle that I've mentioned on the title of this short video? Well, of course, it is created by the transit of the moon, which on February 28th at 4 p.m. Universal Time will be here at 4 degrees and 29 minutes in Leo, creating an opposition with Pluto, but also a trine with this conjunction here between Saturn and Neptune, and another trine with the black moon. So the black moon, of course, is in harmony with Pluto, and Pluto is in harmony with Saturn and Neptune. So that forms not only a great triangle here, but altogether this formation here is what we call a kite. And the kite is supposed to fly this way. This is the tail of the kite, and this is the head of the kite. So it's going to fly this way toward Pluto, or at least Pluto is going to be the leader. That may be a message there. Because if we want to take advantage of this trine here, and this one here, and this one as well, why not? We will perhaps have to accept to sacrifice something. I don't know what it is. It all depends on your life and your situation, but it seems that if we want to take advantage of Saturn and Neptune, what is Saturn and Neptune? They represent the potential to realize an important project or even a dream. Okay. And the black moon represents what is not 100% clear. And perhaps because it is not clear, we can take advantage of it. But Pluto indicates that if we want to fly his way, that is, progress and succeed in what we are doing, we may have to accept to lose something. So leave something or someone behind. That is possible, because that will help us perhaps lighten the weight of our existential vehicle to make it, reach our goal in a much easier manner. And that may actually happen soon after this February 28th, which is the last day of February this year. 4 p.m., get ready. If you have something that you want to achieve, the moon is not going to remain very long where it is, but at least, see here, it's at 4 degrees. So to reach 4 degrees in Leo, the moon needs 8 hours. So you can deduct 8 hours from 4 p.m. and you're at 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. So it's going to perdure for about 8 hours more. But honestly, if you have to make an important decision, to get on your way and perhaps start to take off, and the kite of your life will depend on how heavy or light it is to fly where you want it to go. And that's your life, of course. So just be ready. Something's going to happen. Something's going to trigger that motivation to move forward and upward. The kite is ready to go. It's only waiting for you to say, go. And you'll go. I'm pretty sure you will. And I hope that you will. Because after that, the moon is going to reach the south lunar node. And I'll explain what I think about this configuration. But there will be others before. Like, for example, when it reaches the end in Leo, it's going to create an opposition with Vesta and with Mars. And that has a very strong meaning. I will explain that in the next video that I'll put online after this one. So see you soon, very soon. And if you are bored because it seems to be too long for me to come back, well, maybe you could purchase one of my books and read what I've written about astrology. Anyway, thank you for being there. Bye for now. All the best.